Welcome to the Inspur booth at SC18. Today we are showcasing solutions with deep learning, AI, and open compute. Let's go to the booth so we can show you some of our products. This is our AGX5 solution that we just unveiled at Supercomputing last night. It is the highest end AI solution available in the market today. This solution houses 16 GPUs and handles a wide variety of workloads within the AI community. The other nice thing about this box is that Inspur developed its own cluster management software to enable workloads, so you can utilize the GPUs depending on your application to maximize performance however you need it to be fit. So this solution here is our AGX2 platform. This platform supports 2 Skylake Xeon processors using Intel Xeon Scalable Processing Technology, as well as using 8 NVIDIA GPUs that are soldered directly onto the PCBA. The advantage of putting the GPUs on the PCBA rather than using the cards as you've seen before is that this solution here supports NVLink 2.0, so it gives you the highest performance inside of a 2U form factor. So this is our 4U 106 drive solution. It is the only solution on the market that allows 1.25 petabytes inside one box. All of the hard drives, 3.5 inch, are accessible through the top, easily slide out. It is entirely cableless underneath the drives that's here, separated by various backplanes. The other nice thing about this box is that the compute node slides in through the back, and we have a variety of different compute nodes depending on your application that can be used inside this solution. Dual power supplies as well as hot swap redundant fans make servicing this box extremely easy. Again, there are no cables, no hardships. You need to swap a drive, you simply pull it up, swap it out, fan, swap it out. Same thing with the power supplies in the node itself. This is our i24. It's a high density compute solution. It has 4 Skylake nodes inside of a 2U form factor. In this solution here, we have 24 2.5 inch drives. However, we also have a version that has 12 3.5 inch drives for customers that need that higher capacity. The 4 nodes are accessible through the rear of the chassis. They slide out as such. And as you can see here, we have our dual Skylake processors that can support the Xeon Scalable architecture, as well as redundant power supplies. And again, it's in a 2U form factor, making it a very dense solution for your computing needs. So this is our GX4 solution. The unique thing about this solution is that it decouples the CPUs from the GPUs to allow for better GPU resource pooling. You can put 4 GPUs inside this box. And again, in the front panel, you can have 24 2.5 inch drives using SSDs or standard hard drives, or there's a panel where you can use 12 3.5 inch drives if you needed higher capacity. So inside this rack here, we have our OCP solution. Inspur was the very first solution provider to have an OCP accepted Skylake motherboard. And these are the compute nodes that you see here. We also have a GPU solution for OCP, as well as the storage 24 drive solution as well. But the big part about it is not just the compute building blocks that we've developed, but also the software. OpenBMC is something that we developed, which the market has needed. It's something to tie it all together. It's a cluster management software, so you can monitor your workloads, understand the health of the product, as well as establish your workloads with ease. Beyond the Facebook accepted solution that you see here, we've also developed Open19 solutions that LinkedIn is using. Again, variety of solutions that you can see here. Single socket as well as dual socket compute nodes. This solution here has 4 2.5 inch drives. And lastly, in terms of our OCP recognition, we've also developed a box for Project Olympus, which is used by Microsoft. This is a 4-socket server with very intense I/O, as you can see.
What we're looking at here is the image recognition demo, live demo. So Inspur is leading AI solutions provider. So what we're demoing right now is the 2U server, which has the Intel Altera FPGA card in there to do the acceleration for us. And then in this case, it's the inference applications that we have loaded onto the FPGA card doing image recognition. So this is a dual socket 2U server. With a single FPGA card doing image processing. So we're just showcasing some of our end-to-end capabilities, helping customers to put together the applications for their AI applications.
We hope you enjoyed the small product portfolio that we showed today. We have a lot more products that we can offer. Please visit us at inspursystems.com. Thank you.